Are you making your own lawn and garden lighthouse and need a little help finishing off the top? Well, look no further, as I'm going to show you everything you need to know about our Lighthouse Light Kit 01 and why they are perfect for our do-it-yourself customers. And we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Kevin and welcome to Lighthouse Man TV, where we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we're going to go over a very popular do-it-yourself accessory that has grown tremendously over the years, and that is our Lighthouse Light Kits. Now, if you're like most of our customers, you're here because you're looking for that perfect lighthouse top that will separate your DIY garden lighthouse from all others. Our lighthouse tops feature both quality and authenticity that just can't be beat. Each top is made from cast aluminum and comes standard in factory black, thus making them highly weather resistant and maintenance free. The Light Kit 01 features a very attractive and authentic 12-sided design. It also comes standard with a high quality acrylic lens that will not break or discolor over time. Our Lighthouse Light Kit 01 measures 6.5 inches wide and features two internal mounting L brackets, so all mounting screws are totally hidden. The overall height of the unit is 12.5 inches high and again comes standard in factory black. Now please note, these light kits do not include an internal lighting fixture, thus you will need to either add your own light source, or you can always upgrade your order and go with one of our revolving beacons, solar beacons, or an authentic electric or low voltage Fresnel lens. Again, these are all accessories that you can add to your order. So again, if you're building your own lighthouse and you really want to add that wow factor or separate your lighthouse from all others, then order your Lighthouse Light Kit today from the Lighthouse Man. If you liked this video and found it informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom crafted lawn lighthouses and lighthouse accessories. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.